sino ba naman ang hindi nagagalit, di ba? Lahat naman tayo nagagalit. For sure, every one of us naka-experience ng galit. But in God's wisdom, and if we pray for Him to teach us kung ano talaga yung nasa puso natin, hindi natin ibibigay yung galit na yun. Because it may affect us as well. Our health, our relationship with others, and our words na hindi na natin mababawi. Kasi nasabi na natin. All in all, our God is after our good, our holiness for Him, di ba? So, yun nga po. And ano nga daw po ba yung purpose bakit tayo nagbibigay sa ating Panginoon? Sabi po dito, tithes and offerings are important part of Christianity because by giving, we put our love for our God before our love for money. So, sabi po doon sa Proverbs, chapter 3, verse 9 to 10, honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your produce. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will be bursting with wine. Why is important for us to give our first fruit